Hello, welcome back to Light Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make the crispiest, healthiest air fryer fish fry, absolutely perfect for busy days. Start by cleaning and patting dry a fresh white pomfret. Score the fish on both sides and gently massage salt into the skin and slits. Now let's make a flavorful marinade. 1 onion, 1 piece of ginger, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 4 to 5 soaked red chilies. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime and blend into a smooth paste. Coat the fish evenly with this spice paste. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes for maximum flavor. Place the marinated fish into the air fryer basket. Air fry at 180 degree for 10 to 12 minutes. Flip halfway and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and perfectly cooked. If you love golden crunchy fish without the mess or calories of deep frying, you're going to love this recipe. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Great! Now that you're part of the Light Kitchen family, let's get cooking.